Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Learn now from your learning partner. Today, we're going to learn about pivoting in Power BI with examples, so please watch the complete video so that you don't miss out on your learning. In the previous video, we had explained in detail about unpivoting in Power BI. If you had not watched that video, then click on the above link. If you're new to Power BI, don't worry, we have created a complete watch list that will guide you step by step, where we explain everything you need to know. Pivoting is a powerful data transformation technique that helps you reshape your data so that it's easier to analyze and visualize. In this video, we'll cover what pivoting is, why you might need to pivot your data, and how to do it in Power BI with an example. What is pivoting? Pivoting is a process of rotating a table or matrix by converting rows into columns and columns into rows. This technique is useful when you have data that is organized vertically and you need to view it horizontally, or when you need to aggregate data across multiple columns into a single column. Pivoting helps you to simplify your data by reducing the number of columns or rows that you need to work with. Why you might need to pivot your data. There are several scenarios where pivoting can be helpful. For example, suppose you have a table with sales data for different products and regions, but you want to compare the sales of each product across different regions. In this case, you can pivot the table to have the regions as columns and the products as rows, so that you can easily compare the sales of each product across different regions. How to pivot data in Power BI. Let's take an example of monthly sales data for different products in different regions. In the query editor, we'll select the columns that we want to pivot. In this example, we'll select the column region since we want to transform them into rows. With the columns selected, we'll go to the Transform tab and select Pivot Column. In the Pivot Column dialog box, we'll select Month January, and we'll click the Advance option in the Aggregate column. We will select the count and we'll hit OK. Now you can see the data is pivoted according to the region-wise. Finally, we can load the transformed data into Power BI by selecting the Close and Applied button on the Home tab. Now we have a data set that's pivoted, making it easier to analyze and visualize the data. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. In the next video, we are going to discuss how to fill the missing data in Power BI. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on your learning, and thank you for watching.